Today, I'll show you how to shorten a jot form link effortlessly. Whether you're looking to share your form more easily or simply make your links more manageable, this quick tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. Start by heading over to jotform.com. Once you're on the site, locate the form you wish to work with. After you've found it, click on it to edit the form. This is where we'll begin our process. Now, once you're in the form editor, you'll want to look for the option that says Publish. It's typically located in the top menu bar, so go ahead and click on that. This is the section where you'll find all the sharing options for your form. In the Publish section, look for the Quick Share tab. Clicking on this will bring up the sharing options you have, including the link to your form. Under the Share with Link section, there's a button that says Copy Link. Click on this button to copy the long URL of your form to your clipboard. Next, open a new tab in your web browser and go to tinyurl.com. TinyURL is a popular service that allows you to shorten long URLs, making them easier to share. Once you're on the TinyURL homepage, you'll see a field where you can paste the URL you've just copied from Jotform. Paste the long Jotform link into the designated field on TinyURL. You'll notice an option labeled Select Domain, which allows you to choose the domain that will appear in your shortened link. While the default option is usually fine, feel free to explore other domains if you prefer. Additionally, there's an option to add an alias to your shortened link. This is completely optional but can be useful if you want a custom ending for your URL that's easier to remember or more specific to your form's purpose. With everything set up, click on the Shorten Link button. The service will begin processing your request, and you might have to wait a few moments for it to complete. Once it's done, you'll be provided with a new, shorter link that you can use to share your Jotform. And there you have it. You've successfully shortened your Jotform link using TinyURL. This shorter link is now ready to be shared with others, making it much simpler for people to access your form. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy sharing!